cause I ain't thinking about you.
What's up, y'all? I'm back again, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video. I'm just giving y'all, showing y'all how to sleek y'all hair back real quick and a little low puff or a bun when y'all hair looking like Mufasa. You feel me? Now just enjoy the video. Now right here, I'm just taking my little section out, and I'm gonna grab my t-shirt and then just kind of like dry it a little bit more. And now I'm about to go in with the Eden Body Works curl defining cream and put that on my hair to give me some moisture and whatever, make my hair soft and yeah. Here I'm taking my Evolve Dimming brush, like quote unquote, but I feel like this brush better than the real dimming brush. Like, I really like this brush. So comment down below if y'all think the fake dimming brushes are better than the real ones. Well, not necessarily fake, but like the off-brand version of the dimming brush. You know what I mean. I'm about to take my comb and give myself a middle parts as straight as I can get it, because I suck at parting. But yeah. Now I'm just detangling like the roots of my hair and stuff. Just make sure it's very smooth and easy to handle. Now I'm gonna take some gel, just a little bit, not a lot, just to have my roots smoothed out just a little.
I know you lying.
Right here, I'm just smoothing the gel out with the bristle brush. And now I'm going in with the dimming brush to like rake it through, kinda, if you get what I'm saying. Well, y'all can see it. Like the dimming brush helps rake the product through and not have, cause like when you put the gel up there, it kinda get lumpy, cause it's like sticky or whatever. I guess, I don't know, but it just helps it smooth it out really good. And I do not do my hair in sections for any type of slick back, slick bun, slick puff, slick nothing. Cause that's just too much. I don't have time for that. Like, I got enough muscle or whatever to do it in one piece, and it's still as slick as however, like, it's still as slick as whoever do their hair in sections for like buns and stuff. Like, that's just too much to me. So y'all can just keep on watching, see how I do it. Now I'm just taking some more gel just to smooth it out a little bit more. I really didn't even put that much gel in my hair. like at all. My hair was really, really soft. It wasn't hard at all from the gel. So, yeah. Now I'm just doing a little something to my edges. I suck at doing my edges, so don't try to take no tips from me. And don't think I'm going crazy either with my eyes. It was late and my contacts was super dry, so that's why I keep blinking like that. So yeah. Now, obviously, it's super cute like that with the little big puff, but little big puff, it's too hot to be having some hair on my neck, so I'm about to bun it up. You definitely can leave it like this if you're not hot or anything like that and you want it like that, but just watch how I bun my hair. It's the next morning, getting ready for work. I work at the Boys and Girls Club. Yup, you already know. And I'm just getting ready just a little bit, yeah, whatever. And obviously, I'm super tired. Still got the bags under my eyes. Not a morning person, but gotta make it do what it do. You can dress this bun up with some gold bobby pins in, as you can see, or whatever color you want, just to make it pop. Appreciate y'all watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.